So this is the RotoCleanse. There are two models available. This is the narrower one. It cleans roughly 13 inches. I should have converted that, shouldn't I? Roughly 13 inches width in one pass. But there's a larger one that does about 20 or 21 inches, which is probably better for commercial use, like cleaning a big car park, for example. The way they work is they have spinning jets underneath the main body of the thing, and there's a rubber skirt that stops it throwing the rubbish and dirty water everywhere. So it retains the vast majority of the water underneath it. Because if you're using a hose and lance with a traditional pressure washer, you know, it's like it just blasts the stuff everywhere, up the walls of the house and over your flower beds and everything, whereas this one doesn't. This is much more clean operating. So it has runs off a normal garden hose and just connects on here with a standard hose lock type connector, and then you have a changeover valve here, which you can either have the water going to the spinning jets, or you can have it coming through a hose and lance, which you can use for flushing the dirty water away, or for pressure cleaning in awkward areas that you can't get the machine into. It has a Honda engine, and to start it up, a little switch on the side there. Pull the handle just to relieve the pressure that's inside the unit.